Hello children, how are you? Yes, I'm great. Today we are going to learn beautiful rhymes. Fishy, fishy. Okay? Fishy, fishy. In a brook, Papa caught it with a hook. Mama fried it in a pan. Baby ate it like a man. Baby ate it like a man. Yum, yum, yum. One more time. Fishy, fishy in a brook. Papa got it with a hook. Mama fried it in a pan. Baby ate it like a man. Baby ate it like a man. Yum, yum, yum. Very good. Then we will go with Itsy Bitsy Spider. We all know. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Very good. ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పుకుందాం. We will take one more time. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Super. Next ఏం చెప్పుకుందాం మనము? I hear thunder. Okay? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. So are you. I'm wet through. So are you. Hey! ఇంకొకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తాం. Okay? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. I'm wet through, so are you. Oh, very nice children. Next we will learn what rhyme? Hey, Johnny. We all love this rhyme, is it or not? Johnny బాగా ఇష్టం కదా, నాకు కూడా చాలా బాగా ఇష్టం. ఇప్పుడు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఉంది కదా రైమ్ ఇది. ఎస్, వి విల్ లెర్న్ దిస్ రైమ్. ఓకే, మమ్మీ విల్ ఆస్క్ నౌ. Johnny is mama eating sugar? No mama. Telling lies? No mama. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Shall we tell once again? Johnny is mama eating sugar? No mama. Telling lies? No mama. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Very good. Next we will learn Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Once again, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down, broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Very good. Nice, isn't it? I think everyone enjoyed the rhymes. Chala baga enjoy chesam kadandi rhymes. Thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel. This is Learn Eas with Geetha. Thank you.